It's all about people. Any organization, whether it's a family or a business or corporations or governments, are just groups of people working together, and groups in varying degrees of complexity. Every individual is different or unique in terms of appearance, thoughts, perceptions, or creativity. And the larger the organization, the larger is the complexity of all these values coming up together. And the way to maintain this structure of the organization is where hierarchy comes in. Hierarchy is just a way of maintaining order and structure in such a complexity of people. The sum total of all such a talent pool of all the people working together is potentially much higher than the sum of individual talents of such people, and that is why it's more important that we pay a particular attention to the to each individual component of such an organization. Paying attention to these individual components will help improve the performance of the organization. And this is where democracy comes in, where every individual is given his or her due. To take an example of a team where the decisions are ultimately taken by a team leader, but since the individual knows that she will be heard, or her opinions or her concerns are heard by the team leader, so even if the ultimate decision goes contrary to her opinion, she is much more capable of dealing with the disappointment, because she knows that she has been heard. When people know that when they say something that it counts, then they are moving towards their best performance, because in a way they are moving towards their true self and thereby to happiness. Now, similarly, in an organization, there are going to be one or a group of decision makers and a lot of opinions, but in a democratic setup, people are aware that if their decisions are contrary to their opinions, it is because everything or all opinions have been considered, given their due importance, and yet it is due to other factors that the optimum decision reached has been contrary to their opinion. So they still maintain their confidence in the structure of their organization. On the face of it, democracy may give the appearance of chaos, because there are so many opinions expressed. It feels like everybody is pulling in different directions, and this is what gives rise to a chaotic feeling. However, out of this chaos arises simplicity, out of confidence that every individual and ultimately all are moving towards the greater common good. So to perform better, it helps for any organization to move towards a democratic setup faster.